Oh my god, look at this crazy weather we woke up today. in which we woke up today. It's snowing like a mother. It's so much snow fell down in just one night. Some would say it's a magical wonderland, but for others, like the car drivers, it's a nightmare. There's gonna be traffic jams, there's gonna be disturbance in the force, everyone is late for their work, kindergarten, schools. But we have a mission. Our mission today is to make a light installation. We have to buy some wood, we have to buy some LEDs. We're gonna make a rectangular frame, then attach colorful LEDs, then bring this frame into the woods and make a little advertising video for the LED strip that we're gonna use. That's the video of the day. It's so slippery and hard to drive because it's like 0 degrees and every car that drives like presses down on the wet snow and it becomes like super slippery, icy stuff, and it's very hard to drive. This is the local Home Depot store. Here we're gonna try to get some wood for the frame. Oh, where's the stuff we're looking for? I don't see it. Now this looks something that we could use. No, not that one. This would be perfect, but now we need to get some screws for our project. Okay, I bought these. They're a little bit small, but the bigger ones were so crooked. These at least somewhat are straight. Also, I bought a de-icer for your windshield. Windshield de-icer up to -25 Celsius and a little scraper tool. Because this morning I couldn't get the windshield to work because the wipers are frozen. The washing liquid does nothing. I thought it has some ethanol because I think this is purely ethanol, meaning alcohol, but it didn't work. I had to wait like 10 minutes until the car is warmed up so I could get my windshield back. We had to take a quick walk in the woods because it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. No, I just wanted to come take a quick story for my Instagram followers. And it's nice that it's not too frosty. I don't even have to wear gloves. Shame is that it's all gonna melt in a few days and it's gonna be warm again. Oh my god, look at this. Ah, gorgeous. Now that's what I call a winter. Oh, this looks amazing. This is magical. Oh, but it's time to go to work. Time to make that frame. So this is the finished product. This is the finished project. The idea is that you step through this light portal and think about if you have 30 or 40 portals through the forest. Would you be intrigued to visit such a accommodation? I think it looks gorgeous. Double-sided, LEDs from one side, LEDs from inside. But the effect booth would be fine if only we had LEDs on the inside. On the outside, it's just a bonus. I think it looks great. And the whole project was like what about 30 to 60 bucks, and the best thing is that you can control the light with your phone, and it has many different scenes. Like, check this out. This is something straight out of a Tron movie. I think it looks very cool for a do-it-yourself project. Of course, we could make a cube, we could make a circle. All depends on what you want to achieve. I made this like to show the public that with very little money you can achieve a huge effect. And the main idea behind it is, how do you get people in the winter? As you can see, it's snowing. It was snowing. How you get people to go outside? How you get them into the forest for a nice, healthy walk? You need a goal. And if your goal is, oh, let's go and see the light show in the forest with think about 30 of these throughout the forest. You would see a path through forest with these portals, these light portals. I think everyone in my country would be just happy to take their family on a walk like this to a, let's call it, magical forest experience with these twinkling lights. So that was the idea. All of this is made for a sponsored little TikTok video about these LED lights, which you can control through your phone. And if you ask, how do we get electricity in the forest? Well, it's all thanks to this mobile power bank, which has options to plug in any device. I think it looks amazing. And the best thing is, this version is portable. We could make I don't know, a letter F or E, and make a huge sign like tuts at a football game. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I thought it was fun little project, well worthy of documenting in this video. Also, I have a TikTok, I have Instagram, all those Jimmy Jammies are down in the description. If you have some criticism for me for this video, surely you can leave your comment down in this comment section below. And I wanted to just, those who are new to this channel, I don't only make installations. This is the first one I made. I usually talk about my drawings, talk about t-shirts, talk about creative processes. This is only the third video in my English-speaking YouTube career, so be gentle with me. And there are quite a few videos I have prepared for you, but they all vary. They're not on the same subject, and I guess the YouTube doesn't like that. So bear with me, subscribe so you won't miss any of my new videos that are coming soon. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye. Always wanted glasses like this. Can I rock these? I look like a designer in New York.